Hello, hello everyone. I am here to show you guys the demo for the scraper, a Retool.com scraper. As you can see, working just fine here. You can see that you have the zip code input, which is for New York, right? New York. The minimum price of $1 million and the minimum number of beds and baths to 2. Right, to show you, to demonstrate this, let's go ahead and remove the minimum and only leave the zip code input here. As you can see, works great. You managed to catch it just fine. It captures the data excellently and uses. And now that I did a demo, I will show you what it's made of here. So this is the code, the backend server code. This one, we use two main tools here. Cheerio for our access, Express and Cheerio, which integrates with the Retool, so we can do the request. Scrape API to get around the Retool.com protections. I will show you a bug that happens due to Retool.com protections in a while. And also, something I want to notice here, you guys should know, is that first of all, as you could see, that it can search by zip code, display the results, and so on. And we have to have the proxy via Script API here. I want you guys to notice this next data section here. You see the realtor.com site. Then this section here, next data, is what is the scripts, is the section on the site that contains all the raw data that we want here. So the address, coordinates, number of beds, number of baths, price, and so on. So this next data here is really the linchpin of the scraping efforts. It's due to this script that we are able to get the data. Since it's already organized, we just need to do a little bit of organizing to display it to Retool to make sure it's compatible with Retool. Anyway, I uploaded the backend server code that you guys saw here to Heroku. Nothing too fancy. It connected to the GitHub account and the project, sorry, which is here. I'm gonna put the link down below, so don't you worry about it. And also the Scrape API. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Scrape API. So it's a proxy that will help us, emulate a real user and therefore be able to capture the data that we want. As I demonstrated before, as you can see, you can have maybe a maximum price of, let's say, 2 million. That's $200,000. That $200,000. That's a maximum price of $2 million. So you can see that every one is below that. Nice. We can have a minimal price of $2 million as well. Again, very free to load. And you can see, I think this one is 200,000, and that's 2 million. As you can see, the price minimum goes to 2 million or more. Now, an annoying bug that happens due to realtor.com protection is that the table will not load all at once. So let's go ahead and look for houses here. San Francisco. San Francisco. Let's go ahead and look for some property here in, let's go ahead and 94105. Let's go and look for houses within the zip code. You see that it did not load. The realtor.com protection just caught us, so we have to keep trying over and over again until it displays here. It's a bit annoying actually. it's really annoying actually. So we just gotta keep trying again and again until it shows up. Unfortunately, I tried to get around this, and this is really due to the protection. So it really can't be helped. And once it displays correctly, then we can display, then we can do our manipulations, we can filter it any way we want. Let me just demonstrate it here, how it works, the guts of the thing. The main that we use is here, the get API call, get, nothing too fancy. Integration with the data table, again, very boilerplate, very standard. So I will share the link of both the GitHub repository and this app here in the video description. Okay, so I'd like to thank you guys for this opportunity. Thank you so much for this challenge, and I hope we talk real soon. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Thank you in advance for your time and attention. Okay, bye bye.